the super hydrating cream, refreshing serum, problematic areas, and the scrubbing salt. Just have to be very careful while putting those on. Just at the bottom of the glove. Hi. You're just on time. Come on in. That's alright, you can just close the door. Thank you. So, you have booked a dermatologist starter appointment where you just want to get a better idea and understanding of your skin. Is that correct? Good. May I just have your name so I book you into my system as well? Yeah, that is absolutely fine. Okay, so what is going to happen today is I will perform a couple of simple tests to get an analysis of the texture of your skin, if it's rather oily or dry, if you have any issues, and if necessary, I will provide you with a few samples from our own skin line, from our own skincare line, that you can try at home. Absolutely for free. No worries. Okay, so the consultation today is for free and will last approximately between anything from 20 minutes to 40 minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me at any time. My name is Dr. K, and I'm more than happy to be your doctor today. Okay. Are you ready, or do you have any questions beforehand? Alright. So, if you don't have any questions right now, I would put on a special pair of gloves and just get the first check done, where I will gently inspect your skin. I will have to come a bit closer to you if that's alright. Good. And with those special gloves, I am just going to gently touch different areas in your face, and I'll be able to tell what kind of skin you have, which is a very important and useful information for any further treatment or any potential issues that you might struggle with in the future. Does that sound good to you? Yeah? Perfect. Okay, then I put on the gloves. So as you can see, those gloves are see-through and are made out of a very special fabric, so I can determine how much oil is on your skin. Just have to be very careful while putting those on. Oh no, they're one use only. This is a fresh pair for you, and after this consultation I will throw them away. You can only use them once. finger by finger. This looks ready. Okay. Right. Are you ready for the first test then? If you want, you can close your eyes. You can completely relax. It's up to you. Okay. I will get a bit closer to you. And I will just start at the top of your forehead. Just gently moving my fingers across. Just gently. If there's any oil on your skin, it will show on the gloves. It should be quite pleasant for you actually. Okay, just moving down on the sides. The bridge of your nose. Okay. And just under your eyes, over your cheeks. Okay. Just doing this a bit more. Okay. Just moving downwards now. Kind of framing your face. Okay. I will use my small fingers and just touch the area around your nose. Very gentle. Very gentle. Okay. Right. Okay. Last but not least, we're going to gently touch the area around your chin. Just moving upwards a bit. Alright. And can I have a look at your neck area as well? Thank you. Just to make sure we don't forget anything. Just lifting this up for a second. Okay. Okay. So, as you can see, the gloves need to be put under a special light, which I will do in a second, and then I get a good result. Okay. Alright. So, are you interested in me showing it to you? Good. So this little device has two functions. First of all, we can use it to skin the roll amount on the gloves, and second, I can also use it on your skin directly to get an even better result of the texture and quality of your skin. It's a very handy little tool. So what I'm going to do is I just put it up here. Try to do it so you can see. And I just let it scan. Just at the bottom of the glove. I'm doing this area. And the last bit. Oh, I think I didn't get this section. Let's do it again. That's great. Throw this glove away. And just gonna do it on the second glove. And the last area. Just carefully doing that. Alright, perfect. Can put those in the bin. Okay. What we're going to do next is I am going to use this little device on your face as well. Just different checkpoints and let it skin for a few seconds. This way we get the most accurate result. It's basically, it depends very much on what you eat, your natural skin condition. There are so many factors that adjust, that affect the skin, how oily it is. If it is very dry, it can depend on the weather where you live. So not only do we take the test with those gloves, but we also make double sure. Okay. I will just put on a different pair of gloves so it stays hygienic when I touch you. And then we're going to do this. Is that alright? Awesome. Can I get you a glass of water or anything? You good for now? Okay. Don't hesitate to ask if you need anything. Okay. You like the color? It is cute, isn't it? Everyone here in the office could choose their own glove color, and I just thought every glove was always like see-through and beige and skin tones, and why not freshen it up a bit? ready when you are. Okay. Alright then. Same procedure. I will start on the forehead. Okay. Good. Just gently putting this on your forehead. Just moving down a bit. Just making sure I scan the area completely. Okay. And over your cheeks. And just all the way up under your eyes. Good. And the other side. Right. Okay. It's looking good. Just your chin area. Yeah, you should feel that it's slightly warm. Quite pleasant. Good. Alright. Okay. And that was it. I just transfer the data and then we can have a look. Does it sound good? Good. Right then. Okay. So, while the system is analyzing all the different information and data, I did notice you have a few areas. I would kindly suggest that I just remove the blockage in those areas. I got a very handy little tool for that. If you don't mind, this process only takes a couple of minutes and I can show you before what this is going to be like. Okay. I got a little video that explains exactly what I'm going to do. Okay. Make sure the client is in a comfortable position. Gently inspect the different areas of the skin. After inspection, choose one from the many different sized tools, which are easy to be swapped out at any time. While working with the client, make sure you don't leave the tool on one spot for too long. After the cleaning, just pull off the head of the tool and put it to the cleaning station. The client should not feel anything else than a gentle sucking in different areas. After the treatment, make sure that the patient's skin is hydrated and well looked after. Alright, so that was the little video. As you can see, There's nothing to be worried about. This is the tool. I just need to check which one I'm going to use. But I think this one will do. It's a very good system. You can just use the different heads depending on if you want to like tighten the skin or remove any blockage, open the pores. But for now we're going to use this. You can just adjust it. Gently press it on. Bring it in position. Okay. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so if you feel ready, feel free to close your eyes again, and I will start around your nose area and just a little bit on the chin. Alright? Okay. Ready when you are. Okay. Just double check how everything looks like. This looks good. Okay, I forgot there's one bit over there. I need to fix that. Your chin. Okay. No pain or anything. Good. No, you should really not experience any pain anyway, but you know, I'm only supposed to hold it for a couple of seconds maximum. In the worst case, it can create little bruises, but don't worry, you look good. Not gonna do anything that would harm that pretty skin. Okay. Right. So, just gonna fix this one spot and one on your chin, and then we're done. Lovely. Alright, I am just putting this away to the cleaning station. Grab a little light and just double check the area one more time. Right. Just neatly checking. That looks good. And your chin area. Spotless. No, honestly. Looks absolutely perfect. Just checking over here. Could you just... Awesome. Okay. Alright. That does look very good indeed. Okay. So, since we have finished the skin, we have checked your skin, and I have just unplugged a few little areas. Everything looks very good so far. I already got the results back. Obviously, you're not suffering from any extreme issues or problems at the moment anyway, but there are some bits that are a tiny bit dry that I would like to fix for you, or at least offer you some products that might help you. And I did mention it earlier. I'm going to present to you a few samples that you can try out in the next weeks. Just include them in your daily skincare and make them part of your routine, if you like. Does that sound good? Okay. So, let me just grab the little bag for you. Alright. So, as you can see, we have a little goodie bag for our clients, and it consists of 2 different creams. I don't know if you can see it, I show it to you a bit more close up in a second. One of them is a normal lotion that you can use to just hydrate your skin. This one looks a bit like salt. Yeah, you use it basically ever so gently, rub it onto your skin, and it makes the dead skin cells basically fall off. A refreshing, very healthy spray. And the special serum that I would advise you to use twice a week and just apply on every area necessary. Okay. Maybe we just start with the cream. It smells so good. You want to smell it? It's very nice, isn't it? So, a tiny amount is already enough. I actually got a little spoon I'm going to show you. It's a bit hidden. So, in your little bag, there's going to be a tiny applicator, and you can use that. This is already the perfect amount, so if you just fill this area, like pea size, you can just scrape it out, apply it in the areas where needed, and then you can just massage the rest in with your fingers. So as you can see, it's much more crusty, salty texture, and a tiny amount, half the size of the applicator is enough. Just put it on your skin and gently rub. Just make sure that you're doing it really gently to not harm your skin. It will feel a little bit like salt or sand. Next, we have this little refreshing spray. It's like this. So this doesn't need an applicator. You will just put it in front of you and just use it whenever you feel like during the day your skin needs a little bit more of hydration, refreshment, because it wakes you up. There are special ingredients in here, so it won't feel sticky and it will sink into your skin very quickly. As you can see, it's very liquidy. You can use it on makeup as well, but obviously it depends how much makeup you're using and if it's waterproof. So I would suggest use it on your normal skin. Alright, and last but not least, just press this down. I will not do it right now, but you will just squeeze it into your hand and apply maybe twice the applicator size and just massage it onto the problematic areas. Alright, good. Do you have any questions about your pack? No? Just close this for you. So you got the super hydrating cream, refreshing serum, problematic areas, and the scrubbing salt, and the little applicator. Give this to you. Alright. Do you have any more questions about today's treatment or the products that I just handed to you? That is alright. We can send the results to you via email. We got the correct email in our system? Right, yes. Okay, good. So, I suggest you try those products, see how you feel with them, and if you feel like booking a follow-up treatment, or you feel like you want to improve certain areas of your skin even more, feel free to book another appointment, and we are more than happy to serve you. Does that sound good? Alright. Good. Then that was it for today's consultation. The results already tell you there are no really problematic areas. Like I mentioned, there are some dry spots. Of course, you can book a very deep cleaning of your skin, but that would need another proper appointment. Okay. Then I wish you the most wonderful rest of the day. Alright. Thank you so much for booking an appointment with our clinic. It was a pleasure to be a doctor. Until next time.